When you're experiencing burnout, you're not just tired, you're drained. And if you're in engineering or technology, there's a good chance you are or have experienced burnout at some point in your career. And it's not just from overworking, but it's actually often from working without meaning and alignment. Let's talk more about that. Hey there, my name is Jeff Perry. I'm a leadership and career development expert for engineers and technology professionals and author of The Intentional Engineer and The Intentional Career Guide to Professional Networking. And today we're talking burnout. Burnout isn't just about late nights or endless sprints and putting in 50, 60, 70, 80-hour weeks, although sometimes it can come from that. But it also comes from being in meetings where no one listens, from solving the same problems over and over and over again with no end in sight, from feeling invisible, even when you're producing great work. It really is emotional fatigue, it's disconnection, and it's the slow erosion and breaking down of why you started this career in the first place. So what's the fix and what's missing? I believe it's intentional alignment. When your work aligns with your strengths, your values, your purpose, and what I call genius zones, energy will flow much more freely. And instead of feeling drained with the time that you're spending, it's actually something that will energize you more often. When it doesn't, every day feels like a grind and it feels like your soul is being sucked out of you. I've been there. I know what that feels like. The environment also matters a lot. We need to be in an environment with great psychological safety, leaders who have your back, a team that will support you, feedback that's real, not generic, and space to continue to grow and develop into our best selves. So what can you do? If you're feeling burnout or have in the past, just start small. You don't need to fix everything all at once. Maybe find a way to reconnect to one piece of your work that still brings you joy. Maybe just block a small amount of time, like 30 minutes per week, for learning something new and growing a skill. Set a boundary if there's something that people are encroaching on so you can create more space to breathe and have time to reset and recharge. Maybe it's asking a better question so that you can find ways to realign with others that you work with. Really, it comes down to how can you take responsibility for being intentional about your environment, the calendar, and where you spend your time, and how you use your voice to influence the environment and the people around you. Because here's the thing, technology will keep evolving. There's always going to be a new thing to learn and grow into. Expectations might keep rising, but the one thing that you can control is how intentional you are with your time, effort, and energy. All trying to live more in alignment with your values and your purpose. So I'm curious, have you ever experienced this kind of burnout? If you have, what helped you bounce back, or what are you trying now? Would love to hear from you in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. Would love to have you like and subscribe to this video and my channel if this is providing value for you. And I do a lot of work with individuals, teams, and organizations, so if you want to explore some of my programs or speaking opportunities or other things that might be useful for you, would love to talk about that. Please reach out and let's connect. Thanks so much for watching and see you on the next one.